I just load it?
Go ahead. Okay, rack another one in. Alright. Get your cheek up there. Good boy. Good job. You want to rack another in?
Are they supposed to come out?
Yeah. Those are the empty casings. Okay, here it means you're out. Okay, so make it safe. Good. Go ahead and open the action. Leave the action open.
Yes?
Mm-hmm. Right, yeah. Okay, open it up. Now look in there and see if there's any more rounds. Make it safe.
How?
Is there anything in there?
No.
Okay, did you look inside the port? Good boy. Alright. Okay, turn around here and tell people what you're doing.
I'm shooting this can off here just for fun.
Yeah, that's pretty fun, isn't it? Alright, let's go check and see what we got.